Let's dive into the highlights of this week. This past quarter, the Dubai real estate market broke records, again. According to recent data, AED 184.3 billion worth of property transactions were recorded in Q2 2025, making it the highest performing quarter in Dubai's history. That's over 53,000 transactions in just 3 months, a massive 49% increase in value compared to Q2 2024. Off-plan properties made up the bulk of these, with more than 30,000 off-plan deals recorded. Why does that matter? Because it shows investor confidence in Dubai's future. Off-plan means people are betting not just on what's built, but on what's coming. If we zoom out a little further, the first half of 2025 saw $89 billion in real estate transactions. That's AED 326.7 billion in just 6 months. It's not just a number, it's proof that investor interest in Dubai is not slowing down, and that's during a time when many global markets are facing hesitation. When people ask us whether this is the right moment to invest, we show them this. Record-setting quarters, billions being poured into the market, and constant movement across all price ranges. Let's talk luxury for a second. Transactions over AED 10 million increased by a jaw-dropping 93% year-over-year. That's more than 3,100 high-end property deals in just 6 months. What's behind it? First, global migration of wealth. Reports show that 13,000 new millionaires moved to the UAE in 2024 alone. And where do they put their money? Dubai villas, branded residences, penthouses with skyline views. This week also brought exciting updates and new developments. Dubai South launched Hayat, a massive 10 million SQ FT luxury community with over 2,500 residential units. That's a clear message. Supply is expanding, and it's high-end. Imtiaz Developments continued its winning streak with the handover of Westwood Grande 2 residents. Another strong delivery in a market where trust in developers is everything. Meanwhile, Emaar was named the fastest-growing real estate brand, and Roshan Group emerged as a key player on the regional scene. These names are not just headlines, they're signals. And if you're working with experienced advisors, these are the moments you prepare for. Now, many investors have asked, did the recent Iran-Israel conflict shake things up here? The answer is, not really. Dubai and the UAE in general continue to be seen as a safe haven, both politically and financially. And the record-breaking H1 numbers are the proof. Conflict didn't stop sales, it didn't slow launches, it didn't even affect pricing in most areas. Yes, we might see a small correction in the secondary market in the coming months. That's natural. But off-plan remains strong, especially with developers offering flexible payment plans and premium finishes. The reality is, Dubai remains insulated and investor-friendly. Another win this week came from the Dubai Land Department, which introduced a new program for first-time buyers, making ownership more accessible to residents and expats. This is part of Dubai's bigger strategy, not just to attract investors, but to retain them, encourage them to plant roots. And finally, a look outward. Cityscape Global is returning to Riyadh this November with 450-plus exhibitors and an expected $5 trillion in capital looking for opportunities. Dubai continues to benefit from this international spotlight. Whether it's Londoners, Saudis, Indians, or Europeans, people are choosing Dubai as their next real estate destination. Why? Low taxes, fast processes, full ownership rights for expats, and a lifestyle that's second to none. Don't forget to follow us so you never miss a recap. See you next week with more updates from the fastest growing real estate market in the world, Dubai.